Rule 9. Reduce fixed monthly costs. Money doesn't usually disappear in big dramatic moments. It drains quietly, every single month. Imagine a boat with tiny holes in the bottom. No single leak looks dangerous, but together, they sink the ship. That's how fixed monthly costs work. Subscriptions you barely use, plans you chose once and never revisited. Bills on autopilot, slowly eating your freedom. This rule is about sealing the leaks, without stress. Do this instead. List every fixed monthly expense. Cancel or downgrade what you don't actively use. Renegotiate where possible. Replace expensive habits with intentional ones. You don't need to earn more to feel richer. You need to stop paying for a past version of your life. Lower fixed costs equals lower pressure. Lower pressure equals more choices. This isn't deprivation. This is control. When your monthly obligations shrink, your freedom expands.